Difficult conversations. In any team, there are conversations we avoid and others we put off, hoping they'll resolve themselves. But the difficulty doesn't go away, it builds up. In this course, we invite you to explore 10 real-life situations where a conversation can change everything, from uncomfortable feedback to a sensitive disagreement or a mistake no one dares to mention. You'll see two possible paths: the automatic reaction that creates tension and the mindful conversation that opens up space, builds trust, and fosters psychological safety. Through AI-generated videos, step-by-step analysis, and practical guidance, you'll discover how to transform those uncomfortable moments into opportunities for learning, connection, and leadership. Get ready to look at your conversations in a new light and to choose versions of yourself that bring out the best in your team. Shall we begin?